Hi, it's Courtney. Today I'm showing you how to achieve the perfect brow look. Firstly, you're going to need a clear brow gel to brush through your brow hairs to create a base for the brow products. I just want to add in that next month I'm doing a giveaway and more info is coming soon, so subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Once the brow hairs are prepped, you will need a brow pomade and a thin angled brush. Take a small amount of pomade onto your brush and create a line following the bottom of your brow. You then want to do this again on the top of your brow to define the shape you want to achieve. Fill the brows starting from the tail end to the inner half to create a gradient effect. Having a spoolie is essential, as using this to brush through your brows will evenly disperse the pomade and remove excess product. Next, you will need a tinted brow gel, the same or one colour darker than your brows for a more defined look. Remove any excess product from the brush and focus the brow gel on the tail end of your brow to create an even gradient effect. Taking your spoolie once again, brush the edges of your brow hairs into the desired shape so the brow gel sets in the shape you desire. Taking your concealer, place a decent amount in between your brows and around the top edge of the brow you are working on. Using a thin flat brush, use the concealer you placed down to carve out the shape of the brows and remove any mistakes. You will then need a damp beauty sponge to blend out the concealer around the brows. Next, add a small amount of concealer below the brow to carve out the bottom of the brow shape. Once again, you will need your damp sponge to blend out the concealer under your brows. The last step to achieve perfect brows is to set your products in place by brushing through your brows with a clear brow gel so that your brows stay in place all day long. So that was my perfect brows tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. Next week I will be doing a Valentine's Day tutorial, so make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss it. Comment down below if you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.